Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. And I take this opportunity to welcome you wherever you are tuning from, and I hope this finds you well. My name is Peter, the host, Sun Channel. Today, there's something I wanted to talk to you about, which has been going on for a long time, and looks like most people don't speak about it, and I wanted to point it out because it's the truth. This is about the DV lottery winners who come to the United States and they get hosted by families. Before you get to the United States, you're supposed to look for a host who is going to host you until you get back to your feet. But what I wanted to talk about today, when you host somebody, a lot of people I've talked to, friends, they have raised concern that when they offer themselves to host somebody, the person who's being hosted, they take advantage of them. And that's why I'm speaking today. So to let those guys who are done a favor to be hosted, so they know that it's not a right, it's a favor they are getting from somebody. So this is what happens. If you bring somebody to the United States and tell them to live with you, some of them, they think it's a right. In other words, they think they are entitled to get everything from their bills being paid, their food, and you name it. But the truth of the matter, I wanted people to know that people sacrifice a lot to let you into their homes. And if you put yourself in their shoes, if you bring somebody to your home, let's say you are 4 people or 5 people in the family, and you added somebody with their families too. To be honest, you have to spend some money to feed these people, make sure the home is warm. Or when they are in your home, there are certain things they are using. Even if some of the things are fixed cost, there are some other things which are varies. For example, the water they are using in the home, the electricity bill. Let's say if you have a 5-bedroom and you occupy 2 of them or 3 of them, and they start using electricity in those rooms, for sure you're gonna be billed and pay electricity. So what I'm trying to say is, when you come to somebody's home, work very hard, find a job, and help to pay bills. You can talk to your host nicely and tell them, okay, I'm gonna live with you for 2 months, and as soon as I get a job, I start making a decent income, I will assist with electricity, or with the heat bill, or water bill, or garbage bill. In that way, they will feel that you appreciate wherever they have offered, or whatever sacrifice they have done to host you. And always talk to them nicely. Understand that they are doing you a favor is not a right. If let's say it's a couple, 2 people married living there, and you are a single person or a married person who has come from another country, you are joining, give them some privacy. Do your own things. Do not bother them, and give them privacy. If they have an office or they have something, try to give them some privacy. And also, in terms of making noise in the house, so if you are in your room, respect other people. Don't play too loud music. If you have to watch TV, turn the volume down. Don't wait until the person from the other room comes to tell you, like, turn. So some people, when they come to other people's house, they talk very loud. If you are on the phone, you start calling people. For example, at home, it's good to tell them how the American dream looks like, but don't go to extremes. Some other people, they go and tell them, okay, we came to the United States, we got an host, and now we are not paying anything. We are just living for free. Like hotel, everything is paid. The food is cooked. They only call us to take breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So we don't do anything. And some other people, when they come with some other stereotypes. And for example, I'm not trying to, say bad things to other people. For example, men or women, when they come from other countries, they have some traditions, like men don't cook at home. I believe a long time ago. Things have changed now. You find that if there's a man in the home, they wait until their wives come and cook for them. But things have changed lately, especially in the United States. So the point I'm trying to make, if you come to the United States and you are living with a host, try to participate in doing some of the things. You can wash dishes. You can mop the floor. You can, do things around the house. Do some cleanings, dust the windows and other stuff. Don't wait until somebody who was hosting you to come back from work and then start washing dishes, start cooking for you, and put food on the table. Respect them for sacrificing, going to work, earn some money, go do some grocery and buy some food. So show them that you appreciate and thank them sometimes, and tell them, you really appreciate for them sacrificing, bringing you to their homes. So some people, they forget things. And that's why I wanted to remind you guys that to host somebody is a very difficult thing. Because when somebody comes like brand new from home, they don't have access to vehicles, they don't drive, they don't do most of the things. So you have to take them to places. For example, apply for jobs, apply for jobs, all kind of stuff. So what I'm saying is appreciate wherever they are doing, and make sure that you appreciate. So contribute to the house, do things, and let them feel like you are at least doing something. So guys, thank you so much. I'm gonna end this video here because of time, but let me know what you think below this video, and let me know what you think. And if you are new to this channel, you haven't subscribed to my channel, we need your support. Because your support counts. We don't take your support for granted. And share my videos if you think the content is good. share my video, and let me know what you think. So thank you so much, guys. I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.